Has the thought ever crossed your mind? Why do Netflix libraries differ from region to region? It's a question that's puzzled many a Netflix user. You see, because of licensing agreements, Netflix must restrict certain content based on geographical location. But what if there was a way to bypass these regional limitations? A way to access the full range of Netflix content no matter where in the world you are? Enter the Virtual Private Network, or VPN, a tool that can indeed liberate your Netflix experience. A VPN works by masking your IP address and making it appear as though you're browsing from a different location. This means with the help of a VPN, you could be sitting in Sydney, but Netflix would think you're in New York. Just like that, you've unlocked the entire American Netflix library. However, not all VPNs are created equal. Netflix has caught on to this trick and has started blocking certain VPNs. So it's crucial to choose a VPN that can cleverly evade these Netflix roadblocks. There are several key points to remember when using a VPN for Netflix. Firstly, always opt for a VPN with a large server network. The more servers a VPN has, the more likely it is that you'll find one that Netflix hasn't blocked. Secondly, speed matters. A fast VPN ensures seamless streaming with no annoying buffering. Thirdly, consider the VPN's privacy policy. A good VPN doesn't keep logs of your activity, further enhancing your online privacy. Lastly, don't fall for free VPNs. They may be tempting, but they often come with bandwidth limitations, poor speeds, and sketchy privacy policies. In conclusion, a VPN can be your golden ticket to a world of unrestricted Netflix content. Just remember to choose wisely, prioritizing server size, speed, privacy, and shunning free options. A VPN isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to global content, a key to unlock the full potential of your Netflix subscription. So, next time you're frustrated by Netflix's regional restrictions, remember, there's a whole world of content just a VPN away.